Okay people, hi. I'm still alive. I've decided to try and build this low drag generator, and this is what I've got so far. That's my coil of it's a 1.60 millimeter wire, which is the equivalent to 14 gauge. It's 16 gauge in British standards. There's my mold. I've made the mold, and here it is. I went on the this design. It's a 9-inch coil, 9-inch stator. What I decided to do is, if you can see here, the star I've kept outside, and that's the 3-phase going to bridge rectifier. I've decided to keep them both outside. If you look at Muddy's videos, with the star configuration you get high voltage and low amps. With the delta, in other words, if you join the red with the blue and the black with the red and so on, if you join this to this and then go through to the bridge rectifier, you're getting now high amps and low volts. So I want to be able to try both, test both. I'm just having the rotor being done for me, so when I get them I'll start building the low drag generator. This is my mold, the coil winder. It does a pretty neat job. Very loose, and I can take this off and put the coils for the motor on here. So that's pretty cool. And this is the mold. Now the mold, remember, as you can see, let's have a look. As you can see here, the 3 holes, the 3 wires sticking out, they are red, blue and black, and that's my start. And then on this side is red, blue and black, 3-phase. I've left a hole here. Very important to leave a hole for the, because it gets hot, to escape. And then that should lift out quite easily. It's in 3 parts. Let me just leave the camera. There you go. So as you can see, if anybody wants the schematics for this, just let me know and I'll show you. What I've done on the second part, this is 1-inch MDF. The coils are 1 inch. What I've done is, when these go on, I found a lot of people that the fiberglass goes underneath here and it just splits all over the place. So on the second part I've bolted these down and I've made the holes underneath bigger, so they just sit in there. So basically once you do that, you get very little escape, and then you sit your stuff in there. The start comes out of here and the 3-phase comes out of here. So it's a very neat little, plenty of grease. You use plenty of grease, guys. And I'll let you know how I get on in the next couple of days. I'll show you the complete build, and then we'll shove it on that motor, which is now it should be 8 coils going that way and 8 coils going that way. It's on 12 coils at the moment, so I need 4 more coils. I'm waiting for another inverter, but I'll do a video of this in a minute. So there you are, guys. Let's hope we get less drag when we spin it, so we can use less power to spin the wheel. If we can get it to sort of 600-700 100 RPM using low drag generators and get a kilowatt or two out of it, that would be fantastic. But the general idea is for this thing to balance itself. So I'll just send this video up for the low drag generator and I'll update it as I build it. Cheers, people.